Hello, friend. This side Dick Piche. Hope you all are doing good in your career. Currently, I'm working in Amazon at a Bangalore location. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel that is Take Flight Dick Piche. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. On a regular basis, I'm posting the job for the fresher and experience for Amazon, which is for work from home and work from office also. Coming to today's job opening, this is the this position is only for the fresher. If you are completely fresher or graduate or college pass out, you can apply for this position. A few of them position is for work from office. Few of them are work from home, but with the multiple location. As you can see the screen, I'm going through one by one. Where I saw you the complete details, company location, your eligibility criteria, your salary, not salary because it's a confidential things. For the salary part, you can check the Glassdoor. Uh, okay, let's go through one by one with the job position. All this job position I saw in our internal job portal, which was posted today. First one is the associate machine learning data associate or Geo AI associate, machine learning data associate and the Geo AI associate. Both are the same profile. The location is for the Delhi and it's virtual work from home. For the basic job details, you can read one by one, line by line. Now I'm setting these things. Coming to a basic qualification, you have to require minimum bachelor degree, and it's a non-technical job profile. And work in a flexible shift means you have to work with morning shift, night shift, or evening shift like that. So this is the things. This is the job ID. Coming to today, another job position. This is for the Chennai location. It's virtual, same job profile. Associate ML data operations. Go AI associate. On this for Chennai location, same basic qualification, same bachelor degree, and same you have to work in the flexible shift. And it's also a non-technical job profile. Coming to this one, digital associate. Uh, Under the team of Ring Data Engineering Service. This is not work from home. This is work from office for the Chennai location. It's come under operation team. A basic qualification, bachelor degree you have to require. You have to good with the English in the written and the speaking, both the things. Knowledge of Microsoft Office product and applications. Work in the flexible means you have to work with the night shift, morning shift, and if the as per the business requirement, you have to also work for the holidays. But you will get paid for that one if you work on the holidays. Certificate in any of the following content: writing, creative writing, English literature, English literature arts, English as a secondary language teaching preferred. This is a good thing. Every teaching knowledge, that is the preferred. Preferred qualification: bachelor degree in the English, journalism, marketing, or the related field. Prior experience in of 2 to 4 year of experience, and familiarity with US culture preferred, or experience with a multicultural communications with is a plus point. But this is the basic qualification. If you these things, that is good for you or a plus point. Moving to another, again digital associate. It's for the Hyderabad location under the same team, under the business. It's the position come under the business operation business team. Same. This is the job ID. Job ID is different, not same. Hyderabad location, work from office. Coming to basic qualification, again this is the same qualification. Moving to another one. This is for Hyderabad location. Sorry, what? No, the job ID is different. You can see that this what job ID is different. Maybe they are hiring for the hire under different hiring manager. Again, same thing. Basic qualification, all the things are the same. This one is the catalog associate, Chennai location, work from office. This is the job ID. Basic qualification, bachelor degree, good with English, means you have to good in speaking and writing the English. Experience in Microsoft Office, product and applications, preferred qualification, knowledge of Excel. If you're working in Amazon at a starting phase also, as a fresher or experience like that from the initial L2 or L3 level, if you have good knowledge in the Excel, then it's a plus point for you because as you notice, Amazon is a data centric company. So if means you have to play with number. So maximum of things reporting part is come under that's also play important role if you know the Excel. Moving to another one, device associate. This is for Chennai location. It's a kind of manual testing, I guess. Bachelor degree knowledge of QA methodology or tools. I guess device associates is kind of manual testing. If you are good with the software testing skills, yeah, if you execute test cases means if you have good, if you done any certification course of you or you have a good knowledge in software testing, basically this position is for the manual testing. If you have the good knowledge in the automation testing, then it's plus point for you. But basically they are hiring based on your manual testing experience, or you have knowledge, then it's also fine. So this is the job ID, and this is for Chennai location. This is the transportation representative. This is the work from home for the Hyderabad location. Coming to basic qualification, bachelor degree, 10 to 20 months of work experience in any field, because they haven't mentioned the specific thing they require the experience. Good communication skill, transportation operation specialist will be facilitating flow of the information between external teams. Proficient with advanced Excel. As I told you, if you have good knowledge of Excel, then it's good for you. If you have good knowledge of index SQL, then also fine. Means fine. No, it's also good. It is because that it's come under the preferred qualification. But this is the basic qualification. This is the link, and this is the page for Amazon Hire Pro, where you can select the location wise and you can apply. Just suppose you can see that for the HR resource experience, 6 month, 6 plus month. Okay. GOI associates. If you apply from this platform, means this Hire Pro link, I feel that you will get the test link within 5 to 10 minutes. For this one, go a associate for the Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and the Delhi, UP West, all are the work from home. You can also see the job details from your side. This is for Hyderabad location. I will share you the this page link. This is the Hire Pro page. So Amazon are hiring from this page also. So that's all about today. We'll see you in the next video. And one more things, this all the job position is for L2, for the fresher, and the job level is L2. And in the next video, I'm making the video for the L3 position, which maybe it's for fresher, or I feel mix of kind of fresher and experience also. So for L2 position, the people are from uh, means they are fresher, not experienced, but in the L3 level, people they required have the some experience in that. So that's all about today. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.